Welcome to the
Wimpole Clinic,
the UK's
leading hair transplant
clinic
since 1975.
For nearly 50 years, the Wimpole Clinic has helped thousands of men and women restore their hair using the latest hair transplant procedures, enabling our patients to regain their confidence and enhance their well-being.
A hair transplant, in very simple terms, is just moving hair from one area, where it's very dense, to another area. Because we're using your own hair, the results that we can achieve look much more natural. It gives men the ability to improve their self-confidence, their self-esteem.
Started noticing going a little bit thin on the top. Took one look at my old man and realised, yeah, this is only going one way. Just got to a point where I was thinking about it, being very self-conscious about it. I was a bit nervous about getting it done, but you come in and you walk into the building, everyone's very welcoming, very nice. I think in particular if you were to come in for the first time, it's obviously a big step to take. It's just so chilled, relaxed.
If you're considering a hair transplant, you'll be pleased to know that all of our consultations at the Wimpole Clinic are free. Our experts will assess your suitability and needs to create a personalised treatment plan. From the latest hair loss remedies to advanced FUE and FUT hair transplants for your receding hairline, temples and crown, we've got you covered. We also specialise in afro hair and provide beard transplants to fix patchy beards and eyebrow transplants to restore hair loss from overplucking. With hundreds of 5-star reviews, we've been voted Hair Transplant Clinic of the Year for 4 consecutive years. Our proven track record means you can rely on us to deliver natural-looking results you can be proud of.
So Wimpole Clinic have done over 20,000 procedures. No, they're one of the longest standing and most established clinics in this country.
Everyone here obviously is GMC registered. What I think the Wimpole Clinic really does excel in is the aftercare, the ability to continue being present throughout the patient's journey, and we're there every step of the way.
I couldn't recommend Wimpole Clinic any more than possible. From the consultations to the surgery to the aftercare. Obviously, when I speak to people I know about who want potentially to go through a hair transplant procedure like I did, then I'll obviously be pointing them in the direction of Wimpole Clinic.
With clinics conveniently located nationwide, it's never been easier to book a consultation. Prices start at just £3,499, and we offer 0% interest finance for 12 months, along with flexible monthly payment plans, making it affordable to pay as you grow. Call now or book your free consultation online at wimpoleclinic.com, the UK's leading hair transplant specialist since 1975.